Good morning. My name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will open the set of 72 metallic colored pencils that I bought from Kalour on Amazon for $23.99. I bought the Kalour pencils on Amazon on March 17th, 2025, and they were delivered the next morning. What's in the box? Let's look at the swatches. Let's look at the Kalour 72 color metallic DIY color chart that came in the box. I also created an Excel spreadsheet for the metallic colors. Coloring. To test the metallic colors, I used a 2-page butterfly picture from Tropical World by Millie Murata. When I colored the first butterfly, it seemed dark. Maybe the butterfly looks dark because the spaces in the picture are so small. The small spaces in the butterfly don't give the pencils a chance to shine. So, I colored another butterfly. One with larger spaces to show off the metallics better. I think the metallics look better in the second butterfly. I also colored a butterfly using the metallics in the Brute Funer 520 oily colored pencil set. This butterfly also looks dark. And I used miscellaneous metallics I have from other sets to color one more butterfly. This one also looks dark. Looking at all the butterflies a couple of days later, they don't seem as dark as they did at first. Maybe they looked dark at first because of the light in the room when I finished coloring. I'm not sure this was a good test of the metallics. I don't usually color a whole picture with metallics. Usually they're just highlights in a picture. Looking at the pictures now, I'm happy with the colors and the way the butterflies shine on the page. What do you think? Was this fun? Yes, these metallic pencils are fun to color with. I may have gone overboard with 72 metallic pencils for $24. But I'm happy. They will be fun accents on feathers, scales, jewels, and glass jars. And I'm sure I'll find unexpected places to use them on flowers and clouds. I'm looking forward to coloring adventures using my new 72 metallic colored pencils. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.